Junkie, a real way to make money? Stay tuned because I'm going to tell you. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you if Survey Junkie is a real way to make money. So Survey Junkie is one of the more popular survey sites out there. There are so many different paid survey sites, and if you're looking to make extra money, then you can do it with Survey Junkie. Don't think you're going to make tons and tons of money, but you can make money by taking surveys. So what you can do is you can go through your dashboard after you sign up for free, and then you'll see all these different surveys. And you can actually take these little profile surveys and say, like, yeah, I use a smartphone. You can answer all these questions, like this is a technology profile, and it'll help you get more surveys into your dashboard. So if you look at my points on the left, I currently have 419 points, which means that I can redeem $4.19. Each of these surveys, as you can see, is probably around 30 to 50 points. Depending on the survey, it could be 20, it could be 2, it depends on what it is. It takes like probably 2 to 5 minutes to take a survey, maybe longer, maybe shorter, depends on the survey length. You can earn these points, they add up, and then you can redeem the points. The points you redeem are through either PayPal or through gift cards, through places like Amazon, Target, etc. The questions are super simple. You can do this while you're watching Netflix. You can make some money if you put in a lot of time and a lot of effort. It's not hard work, it's just a lot of work. And if you're willing to put in the time and earn the points, then you can redeem gift cards and you can do that kind of stuff in your home right now, and it's super easy. So how much money would you make if you did Survey Junkie on an hourly basis? Could this replace a full-time income? Well, the short answer is no. And to help with this, I'm going to give you a sample scenario. So over a period of an hour, if it took you 6 minutes to earn 10 points, which is 10 cents, then if you multiply that by 10 to get to an hour, then you'd be making $1 an hour, which is really bad. You can do a lot better just doing a minimum wage job where you sit at a desk and do nothing. You can be on your phone. Unless you're racking in, really big surveys and you're earning a lot of points and maybe you have multiple tabs or you're doing other things, you're not going to earn a whole lot of money. Now that's an average, and you can complete a lot more surveys than that depending on what the surveys are. And there are a lot of surveys like these, for example, that are higher than 10 points. However, it might take longer. Like these are estimated to take 20 minutes and 15 minutes, 19 minutes. You're really trading a lot of time for not a whole lot of reward. For example, you're trading 15 minutes for 35 points, which is 35 cents. So if you're only earning 35 points in 15 minutes, that means you're only earning 35 cents. So you'd only be earning about $1.40. Nobody wants to be earning $1.40 every hour. That's just not worth it. You can get any random job that will probably pay a lot more than that. So Survey Junkie is not going to replace your full-time income, but if you want to make some extra bucks so you can afford drinks once in a while, or knock down your phone bill, stuff like that, then you can do that. You can also refer people and earn points that way. So if you get more people to take surveys using Survey Junkie, you can earn more points. So let's look at the pros and cons of Survey Junkie. Free to sign up. You get a bonus for quick tasks when you sign up. You can redeem points for gift cards or cash. You can even earn points for surveys that you don't qualify for. So most survey sites don't let you do this. You have to qualify for every survey. There's a long expiration on points compared to other sites, which is great. So they don't expire quickly. Your survey answers actually help companies and brands figure out their products and what people want, which is great. It's a great cause. The answers are anonymous, so you don't have to worry about people judging you. And they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, which is great. So as for the cons, there's too few surveys offered to users. There's a low overall payout, so you're not making a whole lot of money. They only offer surveys. So a lot of other survey sites let you do things like watch videos or use apps and test apps, and that's a lot better way to earn money, especially watching videos passively, because you can just turn on a video and you don't even have to watch it. And even if you do watch it, you're not really doing a whole lot. And only residents from the US, Canada, and Australia are allowed to register. So do I recommend Survey Junkie for you? Yes and no. So if you want to make a little money, and I mean real little, then you could do Survey Junkie on the side. Maybe just for fun, just to earn some extra money and to give your opinion. And then maybe if you get really good at it and efficient, you can make a little bit more money. But if you want to leave your job and you want to start working for yourself and making a real full-time income from home with your computer, then there are much better ways out there to make that money. If you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, I'm going to be able to give you your freedom from your job today. And you can start taking control of your life and start living out your dreams, working with your passion, and making a ton of money online. So if you're ready to do that, go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. Hey, thank you so much for listening. I hope you use Survey Junkie to take surveys and give your opinion to help brands out. If you like this content, please subscribe to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much again. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.